Want to manage location-based stock and pricing with a smart pop-up? Let's set up your pop-up settings in just a few clicks. Pop-up settings allow you to control how customers select locations for accurate stock and pricing. At first, go to WordPress dashboard. From here, open Location Manage. Then click on Settings. Open Pop-up tab. Scroll down. You find the first option. Enable pop-up option to activate pop-up based location selection. Now choose template. You will find multiple options like default, modern simple, classic, tabs, compact and grid. Let's start with default template. You can now customize the pop-up behavior. Turn on select to if you prefer a simple drop-down. Enable title show in pop-up to display a heading. Here is hierarchical option. You can on or off and could display them separately. Enable show counts to display item counts and turn on show pop-up for admins if needed. You can also add custom CSS here to fully control the pop-up design. For example, you can adjust background, spacing or button style using custom CSS to match your brand. Now let's select modern template. You can keep the title in pop-up and show pop-up for admins and add custom CSS here also. Then click Save Changes. You will instantly notice the cleaner and more modern pop-up design. You can also try other templates like modern simple, classic, tabs, compact or grid, each offering a unique layout and user experience. With flexible pop-up settings, you can fully control how users select locations and interact with your store. Choose the perfect pop-up style, customize it in your own way, and deliver a smarter, more personalized shopping experience.